Here I have ULEFONE Armor 6E, and today I'm going to show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, you go to the settings, scroll down a bit, tap on System, next you tap on Languages and Input, Languages, add a language, and here you have a whole list of languages you can set this device in. So let's change, for example, to Russian in my case. Next you have to choose a region, let's choose Kyrgyzia for example, and you have to put it on top. And now you have your whole system set up in Russian. If you want to change it back to English, you just go to the Настройки, Система, Язык и ввод, Языки, and you put English on top at the first place. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.